Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change the email address on Amazon account. What you need to do, first just go to Amazon and log in your account and then click account and then login and security. Here email, just click edit and then just type here the new email address. And here enter the new email address you would like to associate with your account below. We will send a one-time password to that address. Here just you type the new email address and then they will send to you a code to your email. You need to check your email and type the code that Amazon sent to you and then just click continue or save. This is what you need to do if you want to change the email address on Amazon account. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet. Thank you and see you.